This is the installation kit supplied with each cheflux combi oven. When we open the box, we see there is a flexible waste pipe. There's instructions and a plastic bag. And the waste box. Here we have the 7-grade combi oven, the waste kit fitted. The waste box is secured here using screws provided in the plastic bag. The waste pipe is cut and fitted between the waste connection and the box using Jubilee clips to secure it. The remaining of the waste pipe is fixed here and cut to suit the installation. This is fitted on the end to go into a waste pipe if needed. Here we have the water connection, which comes with an inline filter that has to be removed and cleaned periodically.